Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Shopify with make.com. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to prepare your Shopify store. And then after that, you just have to log in to your make.com account. So once you're here on your dashboard, you'll be able to see this create scenario option. So you just simply tap on this one. That's right. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. So this is just a very simple tutorial. So after that, I'm just going to close this one. So yeah, you just have to tap on this plus icon. That's right. And then you just have to search here, Shopify. That's right. So Shopify is verified, so we can actually use this one. And then for the triggers, just have to choose your triggers. For example, watch products. Okay. And then after that, you just have to create a connection. So you just simply tap on it, and then you just have to select the connection type, and then you just have to add here the connection name and then your Shopify subdomain. So yeah, all you have to do is you just have to go here to your Shopify and then just go to your settings. That's right. And then you just have to go to your domains. Okay. And then you'd be able to see here domain. So all you have to do here is you just have to simply tap on this one. That's right. So you just have to copy, then go back here, and then you just have to paste it. And then once done, you just have to tap on the save option and then you just have to allow everything. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.